In the evolving landscape of cybersecurity, where digital threats grow more sophisticated by the day, traditional security measures have increasingly shown their limitations. The perimeter-based security model, which operates on the principle of trusting users and devices within a network, has been breached too many times, leading to significant data losses and compromised systems. This situation calls for a paradigm shift in how we approach security, leading to the rise of the Zero Trust Security Model, ZTSM. The Zero Trust Security Model is a strategic approach to cybersecurity that operates on a simple, foundational principle: never trust, always verify. Unlike traditional security models that assume everything inside the network is safe, Zero Trust treats all users and devices as potential threats. It requires strict identity verification for every person and device attempting to access resources on a private network, regardless of whether they are sitting within or outside of the network perimeter. This comprehensive guide delves into the Zero Trust Security Model, exploring its origins, principles, implementation strategies, challenges, and future directions. Our aim is to demystify Zero Trust for organizations looking to bolster their security posture in the face of ever-evolving digital threats. The concept of Zero Trust was born out of necessity. Traditional security models relied heavily on the idea of a secure perimeter. Firewalls, antivirus software, and other perimeter defense mechanisms were designed to keep attackers out. However, this approach has a critical flaw. Once an attacker breaches the perimeter, they have relatively free reign over the network. The increasing sophistication of cyber attacks and the advent of cloud computing, mobile devices, and the Internet of Things, IoT, have further exposed the limitations of perimeter-based security. The term, Zero Trust, was coined by John Kindervag during his tenure at Forrester Research, Inc., in 2010. Kindervag recognized that trust is a vulnerability. In the digital world, where attackers can come from anywhere, the assumption of trust becomes an Achilles heel. Zero Trust architecture was proposed as a solution to this problem, shifting the focus from protecting wide network perimeters to protecting individual or small groups of resources. The Zero Trust Security Model is built around several core principles that challenge the conventional wisdom of cybersecurity. These principles serve as the foundation for designing a Zero Trust architecture. Never trust, always verify, the cornerstone of Zero Trust. This principle dictates that no entity, whether inside or outside the network, should be trusted by default. Every access request must be authenticated, authorized, and continuously validated for security configuration and posture before granting access. Least privilege access. Entities should be given the minimum level of access, or permissions, needed to perform their duties. This limits the potential damage from breaches or insider threats. Microsegmentation. The network is divided into small, secure zones. This allows for more granular security policies and limits lateral movement by attackers within the network. Continuous monitoring and validation. Zero Trust requires continuous monitoring of all network and system activities. This proactive stance ensures that any suspicious activity can be detected and responded to in real time, further reducing the attack surface. Implementing these principles requires a shift in mindset from the traditional security models. It necessitates a comprehensive understanding of an organization's assets, including data, devices, users, and services, to enforce strict access controls and monitor all activities effectively.